guys, so the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is SUNDIAL, or ticker symbol SNDL. I do apologize for the lag as well. So we're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. And other than that, let's go ahead and dive in. So this morning we're up nearly 5%, or fluctuating between 6 and 5%. Let's go to our volume really quick. Wow, we're at 26.25 million, you guys. I haven't seen it this high in a long time. But either way, that is really, really great. We just created this breakout just now, you guys. We'll get into that in just a second, but this is a really, really good sign. All right. I'm going to go over our support and resistance lines really quick, and then we'll get into more in depth on the candlesticks and where we're at. This top line represents a major resistance line. This is the highest level tested, multiple tested area. So you can see we got rejected over here, and over here. So ultimately 3 or 4 times in this area, not including the support that's been used on the opposite side. Down here, this lower level is our major support line. Don't mind this red line, you guys. As a matter of fact, I'll get rid of that right now so it doesn't distract you. But this lower line is our lowest level tested with support. And you can see that we bounced from right over here. We were chopping and bouncing around a lot over back here. And then underneath, it was working as resistance instead of support. And we were stuck underneath this resistance, you guys, for I don't know how long, probably like a couple weeks or so, until we created this breakout. We came up, created this higher low, tested our new support on this level, came back underneath and was testing this resistance. And what we wanted to see was this to actually come up like it did right here, come up maybe a little bit higher and then come back down and retest. But instead we had to come up and come back underneath this minor resistance that we have. So this line is just a minor resistance or support area. It's not a major like this top one over here and bottom one over here. So we are above the trend line, so that is a good sign, you guys. We have great volume. We are technically, this is a higher low, you guys. This is a higher low, so this is all beautiful, you guys. It shows that buyers are in control and are stepping up, so I don't really see or have an issue with getting in. But the best thing that we need to look for is the best ideal entry. Okay, so you can have a stock where you can have a great buy setup, but then you have to to break down and get into the exact area that you want to get in at. So you can do that by breaking down smaller time frames. But what I would do personally, you guys, is wait till we can. We did create this breakout, but we wanted this to come up and break this previous pivot right here of the dollar. If we can come up and come back down and retest that, then obviously that would be the best entry. As of right now, if you were to get in, I don't really see it with an issue. You can maybe have a stop loss at the 95-cent area. So if we start pulling back and showing relative weakness, you'll be able to get tagged out and wait for a better entry, you guys. But like I said, what we want to see is this to come up and come back down and retest the support at the dollar area, you guys. And then your first target is obviously going to be back up here at the either $1.71 or the $1.51. That's up to you guys' personal preference. So that is a huge move up, and that's a lot of profit right there. If we end up going all the way back up to the $1.72 and you're able to get in right here, I don't see that as a bad idea. But other than that, you guys, I like to make these really fast and efficiently, and if this helps in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday or every other day. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.